Welcome back to episode 9 of Ambition Strikes. In this episode, we ski Taos, New Mexico, go on a stunning bike ride, and find our coolest campsite yet. I'm Courtney, and that's my husband, Ryan. Driven by a desire to learn new skills and challenge ourselves, we spent 3 months building our version of the ultimate expedition vehicle. With the build coming to an end, it's time to hit the road and spend every second we can skiing, mountain biking, and sharing our passion for building things. So buckle up and follow along, because this is Ambition Strikes. Colorado was great to us, but it's time to move on to the next state, and we are headed to
New Mexico. We're going to Taos Ski Valley.
I've never been to New Mexico.
Never been to New Mexico.
We've never been to New Mexico, so we're super excited to go check it out. Well, we made it to Taos, New Mexico. Spring has sprung. The high is 50 degrees today.
This is our 9th resort and 4th state this season. Randomly ran into my friend Doug from high school here at Taos, and he's going to show me around a little bit. Oh my goodness, what have we gotten ourselves into?
Good, baby. Let's go.
Woohoo! Found another rock. Oh. Woo! I'm going to try to attempt some cinnamon cake in the Instant Pot using only ingredients we have in the camper. It mildly resembles cake.
Really?
Nope. Hot, uncooked batter. All right, we cooked it a little longer and we have something that is actually kind of cake-like. I think we have some perfecting to do on this recipe, but you can make cake in an Instant Pot.
Cricket bar is something that came in our backcountry box, and we have been eager and nervous to try it.
So this is a peanut butter flavored meal replacement bar made with cricket protein. And there are 45 grams of protein in just this one packet.
I've never eaten crickets before. Have you?
Never. Definitely a first on the crickets.
Let's check it out. No, you have to eat it first.
I eat it.
You eat it first.
Ooh, there's a leg right there.
Stop it.
No, there's not. That's super good.
Oh, really good.
Cool. Check them out.
Eating crickets at Taos. Just a reminder, you can get 10% off your backcountry box with the code AMBITION10.
Unexpected change in weather. Yesterday we're in t-shirts. Today it's snowing.
I am so cold.
We were expecting a high of 48 today.
Oh man. I am so cold. Ah. We are down at the Rio Grande Gorge, and it is gorgeous. Check it out. Well, according to the radar map, there is a storm coming in, so we're not going to commit to riding bikes, but we're going to take the dogs for a little walk. Found a cave. I don't know. We're not going to find out what's in the cave.
Something goes in and out of this a lot.
Yeah, it's not you, so. It's starting to rain. It's very dark over there. was a pretty uneventful ride except for the mountain lion that we saw. We knew it was there and it still scared us every time we saw it on this tree line. I have been jonesing for some fry bread, even though we've never had it. I like fried things and I like bread. And everything has been closed, but I think we might have just found somewhere that has fry breads. He came out empty-handed.
No fry bread. Defeated again.
We made a pit stop at the petrified forest.
Time to see some
Old trees.
Wood trees.
I got my fry bread. Holy cow. So good. Review. What did you think of the fry bread?
It's pretty bomb, especially with honey on it. So I got double fry bread.
A lot of fry bread. We might need to go on another bike ride tomorrow.
We're in Flagstaff, parked in front of our friend Sam and Leah's house for a couple of days. We've got a small break in the weather, so we're gonna get some maintenance done. It's an oil change day on the truck. Rookie move, I should have started the truck and let it warm up a little bit. I'm just so used to our mild climate where it doesn't matter. So the oil's draining slow.
Making a smallmouth funnel into a wide mouth funnel.
Oh, Sam only sort of trusts me. I've been putting that off for a while, so I'm glad we got it done.
It's snowing.
Spent the last couple minutes searching for a lost ski. Found it. This snow is deep today. Look at this. And this morning, one of these tree branches ripped our bathroom vent cover off and broke it. So we're going to attempt to JB weld it back together.
I'm gonna say it's not gonna go up and down very well, but it is going to keep the water out.
We found such a cool campsite last night. It is stunning. The views, I mean, I just have to walk in a circle because the views keep going.